Alright guys, we just got some fried chicken. There's 2 of them are soy and 1 of them are salt. There's 2 salt and 1 soy. This kind of looks like the soy one. The soy sauce. Oh, look at the seasoning. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Mmm. Oh my gosh. So tender, juicy, a little tangy because of the soy. Salty. Okay, now we're just gonna try the salt one. Oh yeah. Juicy. It's still smoking, just fried it. Mmm. Look at that seasoning, whatever he puts on. Oh my god. And look at that, you have to lick your fingers, guys. Come on, you have to lick your fingers. That little bit is not gonna go to waste, let me tell you. Mmm. Chris and I think we're definitely gonna go right back after this to get some more. Mmm. It's cheap too. It's like under $1 a piece or something. Mmm. Okay guys, it was so good we had to go back for more. Now we got the spicy one. Oh, that seasoning. I don't even know what it is. Ah, still kind of hot. Mmm. Got a jazz band playing beside us. Inside the restaurant. Mmm, that was good. It's not too spicy. It does have a bite. Mmm, pretty good. Lick those fingers, guys. Oh man. That's so good. And a bunch of the locals are going, so you know it's good if the locals are going.
How spicy is it?
It's not that spicy. Mmm. So good.